Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Porto medium back bonded leather manager chair. Features. The Porto medium back manager chair has an executive design with a lovely retro feel and is perfect for the more compact sitter. This bonded leather-faced office chair can also be used around the boardroom table for a really executive look. The padded lumbar area helps to support the lower back. The generously proportioned seat pad with waterfall seat front helps ease pressure on the legs, aiding circulation. Integral roll-top design armrests are topped with comfort pads and are accented with elegant stitching detail. By lifting the front right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The chair features a synchronous tilt mechanism. By twisting the lever up, the chair can be set to free float, promoting dynamic movement. Twist it back down again to lock the chair in one of 4 positions. By pulling out the lever on the right, the user can adjust the tilt tension to suit their body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free floating. For a more ergonomic experience, unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair stands on an elegant 5-star aluminium spider base with chrome twin-wheel casters. The Porto is faced in high-quality bonded leather in black or grey finish with matching PVC back and sides. The chair comes with a TUV and BIF-Matesti gas lift and supports users up to 136 kilograms, 21 stone. Upholstery and foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Level 0, 1 and 5, and the chair is manufactured to EN 1335 standards. The Porto is Green Guard certified. This chair is free of hazardous emissions and conforms to BSEN 5459 Class A, and the wood materials used in the manufacturing of this product are from sustainable sources. The Porto comes complete with a 5-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.